Hi everyone, Andrea here from Nexttool. In this video, we are going to see how to create a sort of custom membership discount using just SupaEasy and Customer Metafields. Because with SupaEasy, you can also access Customer Metafields and provide dynamic discount based on the value of the Customer Metafield. So the idea, in this way, you could create, for example, a custom membership without using other apps or just using native Shopify object. But let's take a look on how to do it and what are all the pieces that we need. So let's take a look on how to do it. First thing first, we need to create a customer metafield where we will store the value of the dynamic discount that we want to apply to different customers. So to do so, you need to go under settings, then custom data, select customers and create the metafield definition. We will call it like member discount, for example. And member discounts. Yeah, let's make it plural, but yeah, it's okay. And select the type like an integer, just to keep it simple. Well, I want to call it only discount. Perfect. And our namespace will be just custom. So let's go back into the customer section of Shopify, select one user. I will select my user to test it and provide 25% discount. You can also set this value dynamically using Shopify Flow, other apps, webbook, whatever. And then go back to SupaEasy and create a custom function. We will create using the editor, we will create an order discount function. So discount function and order discount function. And remember to switch on the correct function input that does contain the value for the customer metafields. So in this case, is customer metafields input and is order discount based on customer metafield. Perfect. So what you need to do now is to pass the customer metafield key, that is custom, and namespace. The namespace is custom and the key is just discount as we define it into Shopify. Remember to pass it, and then if you want it to be stackable and with other discount. Then we need to write our function. And yeah, let's use the AI to build this function right here. It is provide an order discount of the value. With the values contained into the customer metafield value. The message is you got a discount. And click on build function. Let's wait, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and see what we have. And hit on save. As you can see, is providing now, well, because we didn't specify if we wanted a fixed amount discount or a percent discount, but for our purpose, let's say that we want to provide a percentage discount with the value of customer metafield value. And here we are accessing the customer metafield value. Perfect. Let's try it. Into our store. Let's try to, well, I expect that the function will not work right now because Shopify at this time doesn't know yet who am I, and so I need to reach the checkout, or at least I need to log in. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, as soon as I put my email, Shopify is able to recognize the customer, read the Metafield value, and so apply the Metafield value based on the apply the discount based on the Metafield value. But let's change the function to show the value, for example, of like this. And put the value right here. So it's a customer Metafield value. Like this. Perfect. Reload our checkout. As you can see, this is exactly the value that we set into our customer Metafield, but let's change it. Let's go into the customer section and change it, for example, to another value. Now it's just, sorry, too much, 17, for example. And let's reload our cart. Yeah. So we found how to create dynamic discounts into SupaEasy using Customer Metafields. So we just saw how to create dynamic discount based on Customer Metafields. The idea is to create Customer Metafields that will contain the value of the discount that we want to apply, and this is useful if you want to create, for example, a custom membership without having to rely on external apps. Yeah, for sure is just a simple situation, but was just to show you other things that you can achieve using the custom function editor into SupaEasy. Tell us if everything is clear, and leave a comment if you want to see something else covered in the next video. See you!